Hi grade 6, for this grammar lesson I'm going to start off by giving you a quick video lesson so that you know what a prepositional phrase is and also so you know exactly what to do in your exercises. We're going to go through a few examples together. So to start out with, yesterday, or I guess it wasn't yesterday, the last time you had grammar, you looked at what a preposition was and you found all of the prepositions in different sentences. Today we're going to be looking at prepositional phrases, and prepositional phrases or a prepositional phrase is just a group of words that begins with a preposition. So the first word is a preposition and it ends with a noun or pronoun, and that noun or pronoun is called the object. So it might be a good idea to have your finger in lesson 60 so you can flip back and remind yourself what all the different prepositions are. That's going to be helpful for today's lesson. So let's take a look at a few example sentences here. The first example, count the books on the shelf. Now, the first thing you'll want to do when you're looking for prepositional phrases is to look for prepositions. And in this sentence, the word on is a preposition. So that's going to be the beginning of our prepositional phrase because the phrase begins with a preposition. Now, the ending of the phrase is a noun or a pronoun. So if we look at this sentence, we have on as our preposition. The next noun or pronoun that we have is the word shelf. Shelf is a thing, it is a noun. So what we have here together is a group of words, and I'm going to show that with brackets because that's what you're going to do in your exercises. A group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. So this prepositional phrase is on the shelf. All right, let's do a couple more. Second example, she went to the store. First step, find the preposition. The preposition is to. Then keep on reading through the sentence and see what's the next noun or pronoun. What is going to be the object of my preposition? In this case, store is the next noun or pronoun. So my prepositional phrase is to the store. Now, a couple things to note here. In both of these examples, there has been one word in between the preposition and the object of the preposition or the noun or pronoun. That's not always necessarily going to be the case. So let's look at the third example. He gave cups of water to the thirsty children. Well, first of all, you should notice of is a preposition, so you're going to underline that. That's your preposition. But the next noun or pronoun is the word water. Okay, so this prepositional phrase is actually only 2 words long. Oh, sorry, that's a bit messy. Hopefully you can do it a little better with your pen in your book. So this prepositional phrase of water starts with a preposition, ends with a noun or pronoun, and it's actually only 2 words long. Another thing that you can pay attention to is the fact that there could be more than one prepositional phrase in a sentence. Okay, so of water is a prepositional phrase, but the word to can also be a preposition, and in this case, it is. Okay, so here we have another preposition. To the thirsty children is a prepositional phrase because it starts with a preposition and the next available noun or pronoun is children. Thirsty is an adjective, so it doesn't count as the end of your prepositional phrase. All right, so just be aware that you can have prepositional phrases that only have 2 words, or in this case, we have a prepositional phrase with 4 words. We've got 2 sort of in-between words, in between the preposition and the noun or pronoun. And there can be more than one per sentence, and some of your examples in your workbook are going to have sentences with multiple prepositional phrases in them. So don't just stop when you get to one prepositional phrase. There might be more than one. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.